Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got you another video. In this video I'll show you how you can simply go ahead and share your screen on Google Meet. But before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay we're simply gonna go ahead and step into our video. For the matter, first of all, access a particular Google Meet, and let's say we have joined a particular meeting right now. If you would like to share our screen for the purpose, we can simply go ahead, tap on this little share icon, in which says the present now. Go ahead, tap on it. Once you have tapped on it, you can choose this option called Chrome tab. If you want to share a window or if you want to share entire screen, you're going to choose it and you can tap on this entire screen, right, and tap on the share afterwards. And now you can see you are presenting your screen. It's going to show, and now you can see we simply have been able to share a particular screen just like that over there. And if you want to stop it, we can tap on the stop sharing option given just below, and we can stop the sharing. That is the way we can simply do it. Hope this video was helpful to you all. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I'll see you guys in our next video.